Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cancel Citibank credit card. In this quick tutorial, let's go over how to cancel your Citibank credit card. You have several options to do this. Online, log into the Citibank website or mobile app, then use the Contact Us link to start a live chat with customer service and request cancellation. By phone, call the Citibank customer service number. Verify your identity with your account and social security numbers, and let the representative know you want to cancel your card. If you prefer in person, visit your nearest Citibank branch during business hours and request to close your account. Finally, you can also send a cancellation request via email to Citibank's official support address. Follow the prompts and remember that representatives may try to offer incentives to keep your card, but you can decline and complete the cancellation process efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.